Hi friends, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I'll be analyzing HBAR. HBAR started the year with a very nice rally and it rise very rapidly and it hit an high of 0.0987. Then HBAR hit resistance. It couldn't continue its upward movement. It drops back to the below moving averages and it touches the 200-day moving average at 0.0542. Then it started a range bound. It had been in range bound ever since it hit the 200-day moving average and marked the low. And around middle towards ending of March, HBAR hit above the 200-day moving average. It rises above the 50-day moving average and the 21-day moving average with a very explosive bar. That's a support from institutional traders, but it couldn't follow through. So in about 3 sections, HBAR quickly dropped below the 50-day average line. It couldn't sustain the rally. Around mid of April, it rise above the 50-day moving average and the 21-day moving average again. It just rallied for very few sections and the speed of the rally was low, not that explosive. It hit the price of 0.0699. Then HBAR dropped back to the support zone and it rests and take its time on the 200-day moving average. While HBAR is on the 200-day moving average, the bar was ranging, the volume was less. It's telling us that traders are holding tight, not doing much activity before an outside bar finally came out towards ending of April, and the outside bar came out. HBAR produced about 3 inside bar after the outside bar, and the current bar now is rising above the 50-day moving average, and the volume too is rising above the average volume. What this is telling us is that at the moment HBAR has find a bottom on the 200-day moving average and a rally is picking up. If we have to sustain this rally, HBAR needs to rise above 0.0700. If HBAR could rise above 0.0700, then we will know that a rally has resumed in HBAR and HBAR could further target the price of 0.0779. That is when we'll know if HBAR rally is going to be sustained or not. Let me draw a trend line and see how HBAR has been behaving for some time now. If hopefully it's break through a trend line or is still staying underneath a trend line. I'll pick the trend line from the peak at the top and connect it to the nearest peak. Okay, as we are now, HBAR is heading towards a trend line. So if HBAR could finally break above this trend line, it also confirms that a rally is in progress. The support zone of HBAR stays intact, but the resistance zone keeps reducing. It keeps reducing to the downside, giving HBAR a chance to break above it. Our focus now is if HBAR could rise above the blue line, that's the upper trend line, and the volume is huge. Yes, we'll know that institutional traders come in and the volume of trade to push HBAR to the upside is interesting, and that tells us that a rally is in the making. If this analysis really helps you or you want to ask more questions about the analysis, subscribe to the channel and post your question in the video comments. Thank you for watching.